If you have an import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider watching this video because I'm going to show you step by step on how to find super factory supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Starbucks or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Then after you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to swipe this way. Okay, so I'm going to swipe. Then we have more information. Then I'm going to click on here as the next step. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. So here we go. We have all super factory supplier right here. You can contact them right from here. You can get their contact number right from here. You can swipe from the top right here and see some of the latest items that is posted by some of these super supplier. Okay, so we can select on any of them right here. You can simply scroll down and scroll down like this one right here. So this supplier here is about 7 years on the platform. So I'm going to click on their sales page. Then it takes you to the main store of the supplier. You can swipe and see video pictures of their factory, and at the same time you can simply scroll down and see more about their products. So when you see a factory, you will definitely know because they have a single line of products. So take a look at this factory right here. What they basically produce is smartwatch. So you can simply scroll down and see some of their products, and you can see the entire review on this store is about 5,703 review, and they are rating right here, so you can see everything. So right here you can see their service response rate, fulfillment rates and delivery rates, and then generally you can see the store grade, which is level 4 right here. This is the store grade as a level 4. So you can simply scroll down and see their certificate at the bottom right here. You can simply click on here. You see all their trade certificate. So you can see verification of conformity, certificate of compliance, and you see their Chinese certificate. So you can scroll and see more about the store, okay, about the factory. So certificate of compliance and etc. So we can simply go back. So we can simply scroll down and see more about them. So right here you have their number of in operation on 1688. So they have been on 1688 for about good 7 years. Okay. Now this is the number of patents, and you can translate this to be able to read everything. And their product line is here written in Chinese, which is smartwatch, brace watch, etc. So you can see their factory video. You can simply scroll down and see their product line right here. Okay, so you can scroll down and see their factory pictures and some of their products, and at the same time you can come to the top right here to see their product line. So by that you'll be able to see everything about there. So you can see their product line has to do with smartwatch and normal watch. You can see, so it's as simple as that. So if you want to contact them, this is the factory manager right here. You can simply contact them by getting their phone number or contact them direct on 1688. So for you to contact them direct on 1688, simply click on here, and it will take you to your 1688 chat box. So if I click on here now, so it takes me right here into the chat box. Then we can start to chat with the factory manager and start making any inquiry. So you can see their store detail right here, such as verification and their certificate and the like. So you can simply translate on that. So for some people that find it difficult to read in Chinese, just like me, you can simply screenshot this page, and then when you screenshot, you can simply exit from here, and you go to your Google Chrome. So for a better understanding of this, so I'm going to simply click on here, this camera icon. Then I will select the screenshot. Then I'll make sure I choose translate. So we'll be able to translate. It's as simple as that. So you can see the store: buy with confidence, delay will result in compensation, quality assurance, financial security, etc. So please stick to online transaction to avoid losing money. You can see a beautiful advice from the store. This is to tell you that this store here, they were legit, and they are ready to deliver. So you can see, you can simply read everything. So right here, currently in the negotiation room, click the factory director's video. So, and then online button below to negotiate the lowest price immediately. So they are ready to give you the cheapest price you might think of. Okay, so you can simply read the detail, factory information, send goods, place order, call up, and video negotiation. So it's as simple as that. So let's quickly go back here. Then for you to chat up with them, just click on here, and then you head over to your Google Translate. So if you don't have Google Translate on your phone, Google Translate is a free app that allows you to communicate in whatever language of your choice. So what you need to do, if you are using Android phone, just head over to your Play Store and type in Google Translate, then download and install it. So when you download and install it, it's going to load up and take you to this particular interface. So for the fact that you just download the Google Translate, your interface may not look like this. What you need to do is to make sure you choose the language you want to speak, and make sure you choose this as a Chinese. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to come here and type in hello. It's as simple as that. It automatically converts. Then I'll click on here to copy. Then I'll head over back to the chat room right here, and I'll click and hold down. I'll paste and send. It's as simple as that. They have auto respond. So we can simply screenshot this page, also translate the way I did it in the last example. Then you'll be able to read what was written in their response. So you can see they were able to reply me fast and very straight to the point. So this is how to simply find super factory suppliers on 1688, how you can communicate with them, negotiate price with them, and seal a deal with them on 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation with 1688. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.